Vigilance, or the action of keeping a careful watch for possible dangers or difficulties, is a costly behaviour for animals, as it uses up energy, but it enables them to detect and avoid threats from predators, as well as competition from other animals of the same species. To compensate for the increased risk while sleeping, many bird species have evolved eye-blinking strategies called peaking, which allows the vigilance to persist in a sleep-like state. However, the drivers of vigilance behaviour during sleep have rarely been explored. Researchers McBlain et al. Investigate how social factors, human disturbance and environmental conditions affected the sleep vigilance trade-off in the Eurasian oystercatcher. Data were collected on the frequency, total duration and average duration of peaking at 2 locations in North Wales. The results revealed the exposure to human disturbance, particularly the presence of people exercising dogs, led to an increase in vigilance duration and reduced time sleeping, while increasing boat traffic resulted in elevated levels of peak frequency, but the overall duration of vigilance was in fact reduced. Furthermore, oystercatchers adjust their vigilance behaviour according to social context, with reduced levels of individual vigilance when a greater number of animals were present. However, if surrounding neighbours were awake, then the observed animal was more likely to be alert, demonstrating the importance of monitoring the behaviour of other animals of the same species. Likewise, the temperature and wind speed influence vigilance, with elevated levels of peak frequency observed in warmer and windier conditions. Oystercatchers are able to make fine-scale adjustments to their vigilance behaviour while asleep, which reduces the risk of external threats such as predators. Nevertheless, they're making these decisions against the backdrop of a finely balanced energy budget, particularly during the winter months. Increased levels of human activity and disturbance may elevate the costs of vigilance and ultimately have fitness implications for the species.